Ride along as I fly the first leg of a Pilots and Paws mission. As its name implies, the Pilots and Paws organization connects pilots with pets under threat of euthanasia that need transport, typically from a shelter to a foster home or new permanent home. This video shows the leg from Boeing Field in Seattle to Medford, Oregon, near the California border, to meet another pilot who is flying Pepper, a female bull terrier, from Fresno, California, to meet me at Medford. Pilots and Paws flights often require multiple legs to cover long-distance missions. This video includes the departure from Boeing Field, views of the smoky skies en route, and the landing at Medford. Another video shows scenes from the trip from Medford to Bellingham, Washington, near the border with Canada, where I left Pepper, one of the sweetest dogs you could ever meet, with a foster who would care for her until her new Canadian family could take her home.
Bonanza 4-6 Foxtrot, runway 14 Bravo 1, clear for takeoff. Caution, weight turbulence to the Hawker part of the head.
Clear for takeoff, 14 right, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Finals clear, runway's clear. Power set, fuel flow is good, airspeed's alive.
It's a 7 November Delta, just be advised, it'll be about another minute or two for I-4 departure from Renton.
That's fine, we'll reach out 7 November Delta.
Bonanza 4-6 Foxtrot, contact, set departure, safe flight.
To departure, 46 Foxtrot, good morning.
9,000.
Climb 9,000, 27 Alpha Romeo.
Morning, Seattle departure, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot 700, climbing via the Nirvana 1.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Seattle departure, ready to contact, climb and maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, 46 Foxtrot. Nav mode, tracking to Nirvana, climbing 4,000 now.
Hawker 7 Alpha Romeo, call the center 126.6, we'll see you.
26-6, 27 Alpha Romeo, good day.
Alaska 628, proceed direct Zadon, climb and maintain 15,000.
Direct Zadon up to 15,000, Alaska 628.
November 46 Foxtrot, turn right heading 140.
Heading 140, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. That's about what we're doing now.
Correction, turn right heading 160.
Heading 160, 46 Foxtrot. Heading 160.
November 4 Victor Whiskey, turn left heading 340.
Left 340,
November 46 Foxtrot, turn right heading 150, contact approach on 126.5.
Okay, we're doing heading 160, and you want us to turn left to 150?
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead and turn right heading 170, sorry, thanks. Heading 170 and approach 126.5.
Heading 170, approach 126.5, 46 Foxtrot.
Proceed or continue down to 2,000. Runway 363, roger, maintain 2,000 and turn left heading 230. Alaska 338, contact Seattle Center 128.3.
Approach Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot 4000, heading 170.
November 1546 Foxtrot, roger. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, climb maintain 6,000.
Climb 6,000, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, VFR traffic 2 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound Bonanza 2800. They're going to start a climb probably when they get out of the Bravo. Turn right heading 220, vector with traffic.
Right heading 220, looking for that traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
And Bonanza 483, what's going to be your final altitude when you leave the Seattle class Bravo? Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, traffic no factor.
Thank you, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, do you want to go to Olympia to join the airway or proceed to Cetra?
I can go to Cetra, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, proceed direct to Cetra.
Direct Cetra, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, climb maintain 7,000.
Climb to 7,000, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. are about 20 miles north of the Rogue Valley VOR. Level 7,500 VFR on top, heading 170. Just switch to the left tank. We've got the ATIS, winds are calm, altimeters are set. Runway 32 is news. We're told to expect a visual approach left downwind, runway 32. Pattern altitude's 2,300. Approach Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. We'd like to start our descent.
November 1546 Foxtrot, roger. Did you want to do your descent VFR on top, or do you want to assign descent?
I can do a VFR on top for now, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, roger. Fly heading at 150, Medford's 11 o'clock at 18 miles, advise Boeing Field in sight.
It's a little smoky up here, we'll look for it, and we're flying heading 150, and we're starting our descent now, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Medford's 11 o'clock, 15 miles.
We're still looking for 6 Foxtrot. Approach Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, airport in sight.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, cleared visual approach, runway 32, contact Medford Tower, 119.4.
Cleared visual, runway 32, switch into tower, 46 Foxtrot. Thank you for your help. Hello, Medford Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot on the visual 32 left. We're about 11 miles northwest.
Cessna 65 Romeo, continuing right traffic. Continuing right traffic, 65 Romeo. Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Medford Tower, enter left traffic for runway 32 for Port Midfield.
Port Midfield, left traffic, runway 32, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Cessna 65 Romeo, you're looking for another touch and go?
Affirmative, 65 Romeo.
Cessna 65 Romeo, runway 32, clear touch and go.
Cleared 32 for the touch and go, 65 Romeo.
Cessna 65 Romeo, after completion of your touch and go, you can continue in left or right traffic, your discretion.
Continue left or right traffic, 65 Romeo.
Tower, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, Midfield left downwind, runway 32.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you'll be following a Cessna in the opposing downwind, approaching right base. Do you have the traffic in sight?
Not yet, 46 Foxtrot. Oh, in sight, 46 Foxtrot.
Number 2, following that traffic, runway 32, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2 behind the Cessna, just turn in base now, 46 Foxtrot. Speed checks, approach flaps, mixtures coming in. Speed checks, gear coming down. Green.
And Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, that traffic ahead of you will be a touch and go.
Thank you, 46 Foxtrot. Okay, we got 3 green, mixtures rich, prop to come. Got over the numbers. Turn and final, 3 green, mixtures rich, prop to come. We'll go to full flaps here in just a minute. We go full flaps. Props coming in. 3 green. Code Emperor is off. In the groove. Slight left crosswind, looks like.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turn left Alpha 3, contact ground point 8.
Left at Alpha 3, then ground, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Aero 248 Bravo November, Medford Tower.
Hello, Medford Tower, Aero 248 Bravo November, hold short 14, Alpha 6. I got about just a few more seconds before I'm ready to go.
Aero 248 Bravo November, Medford Tower. Roger, hold short runway 32, advise I'm ready for departure.
Oh,
Bravo November, hold short runway 14, and we're ready to go when you say Bravo November.
Aero 8 Bravo